Ti'n iawn?
Hi, rwy'n iawn, sut ydw?
Okay, so we do this as a bilingual interview and we'll speak in Welsh and in English. It won't be very long and this is just about the Josef Herman Foundation. So congratulations on winning the Josef Herman's Art Award this year in memory of Carolyn Davies. So llongyfarchiadau mowr I ti am ennill Wobr Josef Herman mewn cof am Carolyn Davies. So that's great news. You know, it's an award that we give to graduate students from fine art every year. So mae'n wobr ni'n rhoi I fyfyrwyr Celf gael bob blwyddyn. Felly mae hwnna'n llongyfarchiadau mawr I ti ar hwnna, so big congratulations to you about that. So we saw a bit of your work at the beginning there. So do you want to talk a little bit about your work?
Yeah, mae gwaith fi fel y ron mwyaf o'r amser yn gweithio efo golau. Rwy'n gweithio efo golau a sut mae'r llygad yn gweld pethau gwahanol yn y dydd, pob dydd. Sorry. Rwy'n credu fod y gyd o'r gwaith fi yn llawer iawn wedi canolbwyntio ar profiad sydd wedi cael ei rannu efo pobl eraill. So my work is based usually on light. I use a lot of light in my work. I use a lot of technology to do with light and to experiment with the human eye and perception. A lot of my work also is to do with shared life experiences. So for example, like in COVID at the moment, everyone's going through the same sort of thing, maybe different scenarios, but I'm trying to create symbols in my work that connects everyone together in a way. Felly yn fy gwaith fi yn ceisio gwneud symbolau felly trwy'r adeg yma yn Covid a beth fel yna, mae'n gallu cysylltu pobl gwahanol at ei gilydd mewn rhywbeth sy'n tynnu nhw at ei gilydd yn yr un profiadau.
Yeah, diddorol. So the award is given to you for creativity and also to further your career as a young artist, really. So ni'n rhoi'r wobr, mae'r Herman Foundation yn rhoi'r wobr ar gyfer dy gyrfa di fel artist ifanc. Beth yw bwriad ti yn gwario'r arian hyn nawr?
Yr arian hyn, rwy'n credu yn gyntaf bod arian wedi dod â amser anhygoel o dda iddo fe, especially yn gadael uni nawr. Mae'n ennill rhywbeth fel hyn, mae'n teimlo fel rwy'n neud yr peth cywir ar y path cywir, a mae'n gwneud I fi teimlo fel rwy'n gallu cario ymlaen yn gwneud celf, a dwi ddim sort of y diwedd. Dwi wedi gael studio yn Abertawe am y 6 mis nesaf, felly rwy'n gwario arian yna, a rwy'n gobeithio gwneud sioe fy hun hefyd. Felly rwy'n mynd I roi gyda arian fi ato, oherwydd mae defnydd fod fi'n defnyddio fel LEDs yn costio tym bach o arian, felly rwy'n ceisio roi quite a bit o arian ato na, felly rwy'n gallu gwneud sioe solo hefyd. So I think this money has come at like an amazing time, especially the Josef Herman Foundation Award itself, as it's a really positive sort of outlook at that I'm doing the right thing after coming out of university, and it makes me feel like I can carry on doing art and it's not just the end of the road. I'm using my money to rent a studio space for a little bit in Swansea, and I'm putting the rest of my money towards hopefully doing another solo show, as my LEDs I use are quite expensive, so I want to be able to get good quality LEDs so I can do something cool.
Yeah, brilliant. So great, that's great you've got a plan, so hwnna'n great bod ti gynllun. Na fe, gret, diolch yn fawr iawn I ti. Mae'n credu bod hwnna'n ddigon ar gyfer cyfweliad hyn. A fel rhan o'r broses hefyd, bydde ti'n gallu cael arddangosfa gyda'r Herman Foundation. So as part of this process, you're offered the opportunity to have an exhibition with the Herman Foundation and to give an artist talk as well, if you like. So mae reina'n gyfleoedd sydd gyda ti fel rhan o hwn. So, huge congratulations to you, Abi. Llongyfarchiadau mowr I ti. Good luck with your studio and creating the work. Pob lwc I ti gyda'r studio a chreu'r gwaith. Hwyl I ti nawr den.